Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I made this yummy egg sauce. This egg sauce is so delicious and you can have it with your bread, potato, rice, whatever you want to have it with. It's amazing. I share videos on cakes and food. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. The full recipe is in the description box below. For this recipe, we'll be needing vegetable oil, chopped fresh tomatoes, chopped onions. Also need chopped green bell pepper, chopped carrots, fresh pepper, seasoning cube powder, curry, thyme, salt, some mixed spices, eggs. This is a few of all the ingredients that you'll be needing. The full recipe is in the description box below. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button. Now it's time to cook. So the first thing you have to do is to heat up a saucepan on fire for about a minute. Then you pour in the vegetable oil. Allow to heat up for about a minute. Next, add the onions. Stir and saute it for about a minute. Next, add the fresh tomatoes and allow this to fry for about 2 minutes. It's time to add the spices now. So you add your curry, thyme, mixed spices. You can use any mixed spice of your choice, and the seasoning cubes powder. I usually leave salt for the last. You know, this is egg sauce, and if it turns out salty, it's not always nice. Most of the spices actually contain salt. Add your fresh pepper, stir it, and allow to fry for about a minute. Next, introduce the carrots. Also stir. Allow this for about a minute also. Next, add the green bell pepper. Wow, it looks so nice already. Can you see? Allow this to fry a bit. Give the eggs a good whisk. and pour it in also. Then stir a little bit. Allow this to fry. Stir it properly to ensure that it cooks well. At this point, I would love to have a taste of it to help me know the quantity of salt to add. Mmm, so yummy. Add some salt and stir. And your egg sauce is ready. Can you see? This is so yummy, appetizing. You can have it with your rice, potatoes. You can have it with bread, anything you want. If you try out this recipe, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button for more videos like this. The full recipe is in the description box below. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching.